Hi, today we create a football game. How to cut and how it works. That is our case to operate the red player. And operate the blue. WASD is operate the blue player. How does this works? That works with that. Speed Y and speed X set to 5 and AK preset speed X minus 2 speed X and KT preset change X by speed X. And if WK preset change Y by speed Y. And if KS preset change Y by speed Y minus 2 speed Y. If touching sprite, change X by minus 5. If touching sprite 1, change X by 5. And how to go? Let's fix that. Paint the two sprites. Zero and 0. And that is 0 and 0. Okay, that is good. Let's create a one stick. But if on there that is go there and see, no, that isn't good. Why I am? What that is? Okay, there is okay. Perfect. Copy it and tick to there. Paste. But where is the black tick on there? We found. Perfect. Button needs to be on up. That is okay. Normal. However, if touching space 4 is this. If touching to space 4 make available of blue blue girls makes this available and make available red girls are blue girls are and red girls are. If touching sprites 4 change blue girls are by 1 and go to 0 and minus 90. Why that isn't working right now? Needs to be set to another place. But this is a vector map. Okay, set HD. And 80. Blue girls are 1. Yes, that is working right now. But don't go to 90. 80. Everything is okay. Correctly. Duplicate. touching Spite 5. My mouse clicker is not working correctly. That is perfect, I think. Let's check. Red goals are 1. That is working. Okay. Scratchers. Copy that. You can pause and copy them. Click pause and copy them. If that video is good, click love. We don't share it because we have another. Okay, bye bye.